Hello spring! How do you prepare your skin for this new season? What can you do to make your skin look fresh, youthful and glowy? If you want to know how I can help you to achieve this, then keep watching, as today I will talk about the most popular treatment at Beauty by Joanna Bojarska, Diamond Microdermabrasion. Hi, it's Joanna. I am the founder of Beauty by Joanna Bojarska. I am based at Chakra Hair and Beauty Studio in Newbury, where I'm running the beauty department. Today, we will talk about why Diamond Microdermabrasion is my most popular face treatment. Microdermabrasion is safe, non-invasive, deep cleansing treatment. My ladies like to call it face vacuuming. This treatment is so popular because you have no downtime and you can see the results straight after even one treatment. Every treatment at my beauty place always starts with the consultation. This is about 10 minutes chat where we talk about your skin, your concerns, about what would you like to achieve with my treatments. We also talk about your skincare routine and how we can improve it. Then I am planning and preparing your personal treatment program. If it's your first visit at my studio, I always start with your skin scan so I can know what products will be the best for you. Once it's done, we can start the treatment. Diamond Microdermabrasion face treatment at Beauty by Joanna Bojarska consists of cleanse, then exfoliation, then microdermabrasion itself, then sonophoresis, then you can add on massage, but it's totally optional. And then I'm following with the algae mask, and I will finish it off with skincare application. Step number 1, cleanse. It's a 3-step process where I'm making sure that your skin is cleansed from all impurities and excess oil. Step number 2, exfoliation. This is another 3-step process when I'm preparing your skin for the microdermabrasion and starting to dissolve dead cells layers. Next phase is the actual microdermabrasion. I always make sure that I'm using the right head gradient and the correct suction so I won't damage your skin. Correct adjustment of the machine is a very important process to avoid skin damage. Sometimes when I have clients with a bit too delicate skin, let's say on your cheeks, then instead of performing microdermabrasion, I will switch to cavitation peel instead. So I always make sure that I customize the treatment for your skin needs. After microdermabrasion, if I see it's needed, I will also do some extractions. This is the least pleasant part, but usually it's pretty quick. Then disinfection, obviously. I'm using either special disinfecting liquids, the same as dentists or hospitals are using, or high-frequency Darsonoil device, which creates highly disinfecting, antibacterial and antiseptic ozone gas. After all these steps, your skin is beautifully cleansed and ready for any active serums and ampoules application. At my studio, I use around 20 different serums, so depending on your skin needs, we usually choose 1 or 2. And I am using SONOPHORESIS to pump them into your skin deep below the surface. And thanks to these extra steps, this serum stays active in your skin up to 10 days after the treatment. I love using serums after the microdermabrasion, as your skin will absorb in all the goodness from the serum like a sponge, giving you those beautiful results, and that is the reason why my customers love this treatment so much. Some of my customers like to add on a face, neck and shoulder massage, but it's totally optional. Then, after serum, I am applying an algae mask. Personally, I think algae masks are some of the best masks in the beauty industry. Yes, they are messy to apply, but I can sacrifice as no other mask which I have worked with will give you that beautiful, even and moisturized fresh skin as algae mask. And again, I have quite a few different algae masks to choose from. Final step is a skincare application. I like to layer the skincare to achieve these optimal results, so usually I would layer 2-3 serums to finish with one of my moisturizer. And always, of course, SPF. Never forget about the SPF. So that would be a little description of diamond microdermabrasion treatment at my studio. Usually this treatment takes about 1 hour and 45 minutes, and I would recommend to have it done every 6 up to 8 weeks. So to summarize, diamond microdermabrasion is the treatment for you if you would like to deep cleanse your skin, work on your fine lines and wrinkles, hyperpigmentation spot or acne. This is also a great choice if you would like to upgrade from your traditional facials. If you require any further information about this treatment or any other treatments which I do at my beauty studio, then book yourself a consultation with me so we can discuss all the details. All the information about what do I do, where you can find me, my social media links will be listed in the description below. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, then don't forget to give it some thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!